I want to talk about this 34 pint dehumidifier that HOPSEN sent me to do a video on. I live up in the Northeast. We have very humid summers, so a lot of moisture to deal with, especially in basements. And if you need to manage some humidity in your home, this might just do the trick for you. I'm taking an initial look around. Like I said, 34 pints, so this is going to hold a decent amount of water. Very simple setup as far as the display. You have a power swing option to control the vent right here. You can timer as a low and a high fan setting. Additionally, you can lock this for sleep as well. And this does come with a drain hose as well. So if you're looking to do an option for direct drain, that is included as well. Taking a look around the back here. See right here. This is the drain right here. So it's going to empty right into this, and you can empty this out. Or if you so desire, you can use the direct drain option if you have a sump in your basement or you have an area where you can vent the water. And one of my favorite features, without a doubt, is how quiet this thing runs. Turn it on right here. And can you hear that? Neither do I. This thing is running right now on high, and it's running very quietly, which is great. In my basement, I have a television. I like to hang out here in the summer, so you don't want to have to deal with loud appliances rumbling. If your home feels humid, seems musty, or you're dealing with moisture issues, this might fix it fast. This is a HOPSEN 34 pint dehumidifier designed to remove excess moisture from spaces up to 2,500 square feet. Built for areas like basements, bedrooms, living spaces, or anywhere humidity might become a problem. Too much humidity can lead to mold and mildew, musty odors, sticky, uncomfortable air. This unit helps create a drier, more comfortable environment by actively pulling moisture out of the air. Key feature here is a 34 pint capacity, meaning it can remove a significant amount of moisture from the air every day. It uses advanced refrigeration technology, so it works quickly and consistently to reduce humidity levels. This is especially useful in basements, bathrooms, laundry rooms, or anywhere in a humid climate. It's also designed to be really easy to use. You've got simple controls to adjust the humidity level, and once it's set, it pretty much runs on its own. It also includes a water tank, so you can empty it, or you can set up a continuous drainage depending on your setup. The design is compact enough to fit in most spaces and easy to move around if you need to use it in different rooms. So whether you're targeting one problem area or rotating it around your home, it's pretty flexible. This is ideal if you notice condensation on windows, have a damp basement, or just want better air quality overall. After running something like this, most people notice the air feels cleaner, lighter, and more comfortable. Once it's running, it works in the background, pulling moisture out of the air continuously. It's one of those devices you don't think much about, but you definitely notice a difference in how your space feels. Compared to dealing with mold damage or constant humidity issues, this is a simple and practical solution. If especially in your useful areas, you have humid areas in your home that never seem to dry out. Overall, it's a solid, reliable dehumidifier that improves air comfort, air quality, moisture control without a complicated setup. Need help dealing with humidity in your home? Click on the link in the description below.